Hey, ever wonder what the wildest ride in finance looks like? Welcome to Forex. It is fast, unpredictable, and seriously thrilling. One moment you're up, and the next, who knows? High stakes, fast trades, it's all here. Ready to feel the rush? Hold on tight. This is gonna be fun. Alright, let's talk Forex. First things first, the stakes. They are high. Like, sweat a little when you click that button. Why? Because we're dealing with big money here. Even a small trade can feel huge thanks to leverage and margin. Yes, those two love to spice things up. And volatility? Oh, you definitely feel it. Exchange rates can change faster than your friend's mood on a Monday morning. 1 second you're winning, and the next, not so much. And yes, let us be real. There's always a risk of losing. You could lose part or even all of your investment if things don't go your way. It's a bit like going all in on the last hand of poker, but with currency. Oh, and forget sleep. Forex does not do 9 to 5. You need to be dedicated and constantly checking those charts. Consider it your new part-time job, except that the hours are weird. But here is where it gets good. The rewards. Way higher. Forex offers some seriously awesome returns. Think of it as a potential jackpot that pays better than your traditional savings account. And liquidity. You're never stuck waiting. The Forex market is super liquid, so you can jump in and out of trades. Like, well, you're at an all-you-can-eat buffet, but for money. Plus, you've got flexibility. You can trade from anywhere, your living room, the cafe, the beach. As long as you've got Wi-Fi, you're in the game. And mastering Forex, it is tough, no doubt. But when you do, it feels pretty epic. Trust me, there is no feeling like nailing a winning trade. So yes, the stakes are high, but the rewards are way higher. So, who exactly is moving the market in Forex? Well, it's a pretty mixed bunch. We've got the rebels, giants, and everyone in between. First up, the rebels. Yes, that's the individual traders going rogue from their living rooms and making moves that will make Wall Street blink. Think of them as the anti-establishment crew with coffee-stained charts and unconventional strategies. Then, you've got the hedge funds. These guys, they don't mess around. Complex techniques, sophisticated strategies. They are like the chess grandmasters of Forex, always a few moves ahead. And of course, the investment banks, with big names, big money, and a lot of advice. They are your go-to if you need a PowerPoint presentation on the market. Next up, the commercial banks. They handle huge transactions and keep the GS turning in Forex, while helping their clients navigate the wild world of currency exchange. The central banks. Now, these are the real power players. They control national currencies and shape monetary policy. Just casually deciding what your money is worth. And let's not forget the multinational corporations. They are using Forex to manage currency risk and make sure their global business stays on track. Basically, they are in it to keep the profit flowing. Last but not least, the retail traders. That's you, with online platforms at your fingertips. You are part of this crazy global market, just like the big players. Everyone is in the game. Alright, so you're probably wondering, what's the bigger picture here? How does the Forex market actually affect the world? Spoiler alert, it's a big deal. First off, exchange rates affects international trade and economic growth. A strong or weak currency can boost or slow down the country's economy. It's like the global economy secret sauce. And then there's monetary policy. When the central banks adjust interest rates, the ripples spread across the world, affecting everything from investments to inflation. Geopolitics? Oh yes, Forex is definitely involved. Currency values can reflect and sometimes even cause political tensions. It's like the background music to global drama. And for businesses, Forex is essential for managing currency risks. It can make or break deals, affect profitability, and keep companies competitive. Your savings, investments, and pension funds, yes, they are all influenced by currency fluctuations. So whether you know it or not, Forex is connected to your financial future. Exchange rates even shape job markets and inflation. From wages to the cost of living, Forex is behind the scenes, making things happen. Pretty powerful, right? When you trade Forex, you're not just moving money, you're shaping the future of the global economy. No pressure though. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content like this.